Fellas, men over 40, listen up. If your morning wood has quietly disappeared, that's not just a bedroom issue. It's often the first warning sign that your circulation, hormones, and confidence are slipping, and ignoring it can lead to bigger problems fast. But here's the deal. This is fixable. And sometimes, it starts with something shockingly simple you do before bed. Stay with me. This might change your mornings. Here's the good news, and I want you to really hear this. What you're dealing with is not permanent, and it's not a personal failure. In my practice, I see men start turning this around in as little as 7 to 14 days when they fix the right thing. You don't need extreme meds or complicated routines, just a smarter, simpler approach that works with your body instead of against it. If we haven't met yet, I'm Dr. Rachel Rubin. I'm a urologist, and I've spent my career helping men protect their sexual health, performance, and confidence as they age. I talk to men every single day who feel frustrated, confused, or even a little scared about what's changing in their bodies, and my job is to help you understand what's actually going on without judgment and show you clear, evidence-based ways to take control again. For the majority of men over 40, the issue isn't desire, and it's not getting older. The real enemy is quiet circulation breakdown paired with low-grade inflammation, and it creeps up slowly. Think of your erection like a high-performance hydraulic system. Blood has to rush in, stay there, and be supported by healthy nerves and hormones. But as you age, inflammation thickens the blood vessels, nitric oxide drops, and circulation starts acting like a clogged hose instead of a fire hydrant. Here's the scary part. You don't feel this happening. You're still working, still functioning, still showing up, but your body is quietly prioritizing survival over performance. Stress, poor sleep, late-night eating, alcohol, ultra-processed foods, they all tell your body, we're under threat. And when that happens, your body shuts down non-essential functions first. Morning erections? Those are optional as far as your nervous system is concerned. Most men assume it's testosterone. Some think it's psychological. Others think it's just normal aging. But what I see every day is men whose blood flow and metabolic timing are off, and their bodies never fully shift into recovery mode overnight. It's like trying to charge your phone with a frayed cable. You plug it in, but the battery never really fills up. Over time, performance drops, and confidence follows. Every healthy morning erection is a biological systems check. It's your brain, nerves, blood vessels, and hormones all saying, yep, we're working. Here's how it's supposed to go. At night, when you sleep deeply, your stress hormones drop, cortisol comes down, your nervous system shifts into repair mode. Nitric oxide, the molecule that opens blood vessels, gets released. Blood flow improves. Testosterone does its overnight work, and your penis fills with blood several times during sleep. That's not random. That's maintenance. But for a lot of men over 40, that system gets disrupted. Chronic stress keeps cortisol elevated. Late-night eating spikes insulin. Alcohol fragments sleep. Inflammation stiffens blood vessels. And nitric oxide production drops with age. So instead of deep recovery, your body stays in a low-grade, alert state all night. Think of it like this. Your body has two modes, survival mode and thriving mode. Morning erections only happen in thriving mode. When inflammation and poor metabolic timing are present, blood vessels don't relax the way they should. Nitric oxide can't do its job. Blood flow becomes weaker and less responsive. The nerves that signal arousal get dull. And testosterone doesn't get used efficiently, even if your levels look normal on paper. That's why this issue can sneak up on guys who otherwise feel okay. You might still have libido, you might still perform sometimes, but consistency drops, firmness drops, morning erections disappear. And here's the key point most men miss. Your penis is one of the most sensitive circulation indicators in your entire body. Smaller blood vessels show problems first. Long before your heart complains, your erections whisper. That's not something to be embarrassed about. That's valuable information. So when morning wood fades, it's not just about sex. It's your body telling you that overnight recovery, blood flow signaling, and inflammation control are off rhythm. That oil I mentioned, extra virgin olive oil, I know, doesn't sound sexy, doesn't sound like a men's health breakthrough, but here's why it works, and why the timing matters so much. 1 tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil before bed sends a powerful signal to your body. It's safe to recover. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and polyphenols. In plain English, it reduces inflammation, supports nitric oxide production, and improves blood vessel flexibility. That's the holy trifecta for erections. When you take it at night, about 30 to 60 minutes before bed, it does a few important things. First, it helps calm down nighttime inflammation that blocks blood flow. Second, it improves insulin sensitivity, which means your body isn't stuck in fat storage mode while you sleep. Third, it supports testosterone signaling, not by spiking levels, but by helping your body use what you already have more effectively. This isn't a hormone hack, it's a recovery signal. Here's how to do it right. 1 tablespoon, not 3. More is not better. High-quality extra virgin olive oil, dark bottle, cold pressed. Take it plain, or with a small pinch of sea salt if that helps it go down. Do it consistently for at least 7 to 14 nights. What to avoid: don't pair it with late-night sugar, desserts, or alcohol. That cancels out the benefit. Don't take it with a huge meal. This works best when insulin is already coming down. And don't expect magic overnight. This is about restoring rhythm, not forcing an erection. What most men notice first isn't even sex. They sleep deeper. They wake up more rested. Their morning energy improves. And then, usually within a week or two, morning erections start reappearing. Not forced, not strained, just natural. That's how you know circulation and recovery are coming back online. First, cut off calories at least 3 hours before bed. This is huge. When your body isn't busy digesting, it can shift fully into repair mode. Better blood flow, better hormone signaling, better erections. Simple, but powerful. Second, magnesium before sleep. Magnesium supports nerve relaxation and nitric oxide signaling. Most men are low, and when levels come up, sleep depth and recovery improve fast. Look for magnesium glycinate or threonate. Easy on the gut. Third, morning sunlight. I know it sounds unrelated, but it's not. Getting 10 minutes of real morning light helps reset your circadian rhythm, which directly improves nighttime testosterone release and sleep quality. Better nights start with better mornings. And if you want one more, walk after dinner, just 10 to 15 minutes. It lowers blood sugar, reduces inflammation, and sets you up for deeper sleep. No gym, no gear, just movement. When morning erections disappear and stay gone, that's not just about sex. It's your body telling you that blood flow, recovery, and resilience are slipping out of sync. And if you ignore that signal long enough, the problem doesn't stay isolated. What starts as inconsistent performance can turn into chronic fatigue. Confidence takes a hit, motivation drops, mood shifts, relationships feel strained, even if no one says it out loud. And here's the part most men don't realize. The same circulation and inflammation issues that affect erections affect your heart, your brain, and your longevity. This isn't about panic, it's about awareness. The mistake is thinking you need a drastic intervention later instead of a small correction now, because the body is incredibly responsive when you catch things early. A tablespoon of oil, better nighttime timing, a few supportive habits. Those small, boring-looking choices send a powerful message to your nervous system. We're safe, we can recover, we can perform. You wake up with more energy before the alarm. Your body feels responsive again, not stiff and sluggish. Morning erections come back, not because you're forcing anything, but because your system is working the way it's supposed to. Confidence quietly returns. Your workouts feel better, your focus sharpens, your mood steadies, and in your relationships, you feel more present, more connected, more like yourself again. Not the version of you that's just getting through the day, but the one that actually enjoys it. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about restoring function. It's about giving your body the right signals so it can do what it was designed to do. Men tell me all the time, I didn't realize how off I felt until I started feeling better. That's the shift. That's the win. If this hit home for you, I'd love to hear about it. Drop a comment and tell me what you've noticed changing in your body or what you're working on right now. You're not alone in this, and your story helps other men feel less isolated too. If you found this helpful, stick around. I've got more videos coming on sleep, circulation, confidence, and real-world ways to support your health as you age. No hype, just honest guidance.